Hello everyone, today we're gonna present development of product creating skill training package on Green Energy House for lower secondary students, created by Pilada Langpresser and Skungan Pinchujit, Advisor Assistant Dr. Thanyakon Choi Thukpheon. From the research, it was found that students do not have creativity and innovation skills because students learn with the traditional teaching that is focused on content and memory. But nowadays, we need scientific knowledge, creativity, and other knowledge to create new things. Therefore, we adopt the teaching style of constructionism to create training packages related to the Green Energy trend, named as the Product Creating Skill Training Package on Green Energy House. Objectives include to develop the Product Creating Skill Training Package on Green Energy House to study student creative skills and satisfaction after studying with the training package. In experiment and collecting data, population and sample. Population have 125 people in junior high school students study in semester 2 of academic year 2021. Pilot group have one room total 13 people. Sample group have one room total 15 people. This pilot group and sample group were obtained from cluster random sampling. Research tools. The learning management tools was the product creating skills training package on Green Energy House. The data collection tools is number 1, creativity assessment, number 2, satisfaction assessment. Next, creating research tools and experiment. It starts with research study and content related to the training package, creativity assessment, satisfaction assessment, then design and create them. Bring to the expert to determine the quality IOC. Once the evaluation has passed, so we use it was applied to the pilot group for quality checks before being applied to the sample group. After experiment with the pilot group, it was learning activity with the sample group, and after activity, have students complete satisfaction assessment.
Okay, and then we are talking about analyze data and conclusion. Look at table 1, the efficiency result of training packages of pilot study group. The conclusion, the efficiency result of training packages of pilot study group found the score is higher than 75% of criteria, that is statistically significant at 0.01 level. And then we move on to table 2, product rating scale mean of study group, and we found that product rating scale mean of study group is higher than 75% of criteria, that is statistically significant at 0.01 level. Then we will talking about table 3, average of student satisfaction with the study group, and we found that student satisfaction mean is very satisfying and higher than the standard, at statistically significant at 0.01 level. Then we move on to the recommendations. The first one, suggestion for using research. Number 1, teacher can adjust the equipment used to create the work accordingly. Number 2, during the activity, the teacher must observe and be careful not let the learner be dangerous by sharp object. And suggestion for improve the research. Teachers should study scientific process skill together with practice creative skill on training packages. Thank you for your attention.